Hi, Ryan. Happy Tip Tuesday.
Anna, hello everyone.
Welcome back, you guys. And today we're going to talk about this term in real estate called earnest money deposit, or what is also known as a good faith deposit. It also functions as a promise to the seller that you are going to buy this house. And it is a sum of money that you put down really to determine your seriousness about buying a certain home. And depending upon the market that we're in, we like to advise our clients to budget for approximately 1% of the full purchase price. But the question comes in, Ryan, what happens to this earnest money at closing? Where does it go? So answer this question for our audience.
Yeah, we get this question a lot. A lot of the times our clients are asking us, when a contract is accepted, what are they paying out of pocket right away? And I do explain to them, of course, within 3 days, it is the earnest money that we're talking about now. There are the home inspections and the appraisal as well. But the main thing, the big chunk, is that good faith deposit or earnest money. And what happens after closing, as you close, actually, that earnest money is applied towards your down payment and closing costs. So it's subtracted right off the cash to close at the end of the transaction. So that's where it goes. And so it's just paying it up front, really, as good faith to the seller that you're serious about purchasing the property. And it's just paying a little bit ahead of time for what's going to be deducted at closing.
Perfect. And that's it. You guys, really easy. But again, I know a lot of things can be confusing, especially if it's the first time you're purchasing a home. So if you have any questions about that, definitely reach out to us. We always put our contact information in the show notes. And Ryan, great to see you. Great Tip
Good to see
Tuesday.
you. Thanks, everyone.
See you next week, guys.